Hello and welcome to this video.
Today our topic is about the C++ basic program and the structure of C++. So we write our first program, that is hello world program in C++. Our program first line is hash include iostream means header file library. Hash include iostream is a header file library, and the second line using namespace std means that we can use names for objects and variable for the standard library. And on the third line, we write int main. Int main is a function used in C++. After int main, we write curly braces, and on the next line, we write cout insertion operator and hello world in inverted commas. If we write anything after cout insertion operator in inverted commas, then compiler show this line as it is on the screen. After this line, we write return 0 and then curly brackets close. This program is used for outputting hello world, and this is the basic structure of C++ program. Now we compile this program and showing the result of this program. Yes, hello world outputting on the screen, and we successfully write our first program in C++.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.